Alright, for 4-4, you need to download the Biographies PowerPoint, and then we need this picture. So you're going to right click on the picture and say Save Image As. Alright. So, we'll save this into your Lesson 4 folder, and then you're going to go to Slide Master, the View tab, Slide Master. Alright, it says to go to the Slide Master view. So if you remember, all these are the layout masters, different layouts. The Slide Master is the top larger one. So we're going to click on that one, and we're going to apply the parallax theme. And since that's the Slide Master, all the slides will get the parallax theme. Alright, now we want to go to the title and content layout, which is this one. And it wants us to create a new layout. So to do that, we're going to click on Insert Layout. And so now we have a brand new layout here. Number 4 says deselect the title in the master layout group. So what they're saying is you want to click on the outside of it to select it and then delete it. That's the deselect. And so number 5 says insert a text placeholder in the center of the slide. So to insert anything on your slide master, you'll go right here to insert placeholder, and these are all the different things that we can do. We can add content, text, picture, chart, table, any of these different things. This time we're doing text. So we're going to draw our text box in the middle of the slide, like that. Alright. Then it says to delete the bulleted text and remove the bulleted formatting. So we're going to get rid of everything. Backspace. There's still a bullet there, so we're going to hit backspace one more time, and we have it. It also wants us to change the font size to 40 points and center it in the placeholder. So we're going to have to go to the Home tab, change the size to 40 points, and center. Number 6 says apply a different background style of your choice to this new layout. So back to Slide Master, back to Background Styles. You can pick it. We're going to rename, number 7 says rename the new layout introduction. So to do that, we're just going to go to the little thumbnail of our slide layout over here, right click, rename layout, and we're going to call it introduction. Alright, so we're done with that. Number 8 says close the slide master view. So closing that. Alright, insert a new slide after slide 1 using that new introduction layout. So new slide drop down. There's the introduction layout. Type American history in the placeholder right here. Got that. Now change the background of this slide with a picture fill. So remember to change the background. We can right click on the thumbnail and say format background. We're going over here to picture or texture fill. And you have the choice of finding something online or finding something from your file. We're going to find something from our file. And looking for 4-4 American history, you could do a Google search. Well, not Google search. You can search here if you don't see it right away. All right, number 10 says change the text on slide 2 to a word art style of your choice that will be easier to read with a new background. So we're going to select American history, change it to something that would be easier. It's pretty easy to read to me. All right, that's done. Save it and turn it in.